x by 3 equal to x. We will have to find the value of x. Let's see the solution. First of all, we write the given equation, that is x by 3 equal to x. Therefore, x by 3 equal to x divided by 1. X can be written as x divided by 1. Now we will have to cross multiply. Therefore 3x, 3 into x, 3x equal to x into 1, x. Therefore 3x minus x equal to 0. Taking x left hand side, 3x minus x, 2x equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0 by 2. Therefore x equal to 0. This is our required solution. Now we will have to verify this solution is correct or not. 0 by 3 equal to question mark 0. Now 0 by 3, 0 equal to 0. 0 by 3, 0 equal to 0. This verify our answer is correct. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you.